How to find follow request in Instagram. It's pretty quick and easy. So before starting the video, subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. Do like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your Instagram app over here, and here at the bottom of your screen you can see the little heart. Just click on that one. You can see all the notifications of your follow request and any other, if someone likes your video or if someone want to be your friend. You can see all over here. And I have public account, so I don't have any follow request over here. People can directly follow me. So if you have a personal account, you can see all the follow requests at the top of your screen. What you had to do, just go to their profile and check the person who wants to follow you. If you want to confirm this, just click on confirm, and if you want to delete this follow request, you can delete it as well. So in this way you can find follow request in your Instagram account. Just scroll down, you can see all the follow request over here. So if you want to follow back any person, you can follow back any person over here. Just see all the notifications in that little heart option. It's notification bar in Instagram. Hope this helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.